Welcome to Universe Sandbox 2. I'm Tychus. This is my wife, Erin.
Hey guys.
So we're back and thinking of ways to cause chaos to the solar system. Or, do some cool things. What shall we do today?
Let's start with some nice black holes. And let some things be sucked into oblivion.
You like black holes.
I do. Everything looks so cool when it careens into it.
When it careens into it.
It's so pretty.
Okay, what would happen if we put the black hole at the center of our galaxy, the supermassive black hole that makes up the center of the Milky Way, over here between Neptune and Uranus?
Terrible, horrible things.
That's actually pretty realistic, because the cool thing about the Milky Way's supermassive black hole is it actually ejects objects out from it. It doesn't. Black holes will congregate towards it, and stars will be ejected away from it. And it creates an equilibrium of sorts. So we've now created this expanding. We've created this expanding zone around the, I guess, new center of our galaxy.
That's cool.
Yeah, so they discovered that because they were... black holes don't suck things in anyway, but things are attracted to them. The bigger they are, though, the less... smaller black holes have more gravitational shear than larger ones. But they did find that stars were... And I shouldn't say they, it's a really bad thing to say. It's... astronomers found that stars near the center of the galaxy were actually moving away from it because of the black hole. And as the black holes came in, they were pushing everything out and rejuvenating the core.
I feel like that's very contrary to what average people think black holes do.
It is. And there's some great videos on TED Talks and Vsauce, Veritasium. They've all covered related topics. So...
The Milky Way is so pretty.
Right? Which gives me an idea now.
What are we doing?
So we are going to create something. And... where is it? Encounters. Is it not here? So there's a preset in here for what's going to happen between the Milky Way and Andromeda. I can't find it, so let's create a ring of galaxies.
Ooh. What's all the red?
I'm going to assume... Oh, what is it? I was going to say maybe it's meant to be red giants, but that doesn't make sense with what's up here. I don't know.
Random.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
So let's do something here. Galaxy. Let's create Andromeda. And I feel like we've lost all rendering here. Time step, and that's 1 million years a second. Oh, we've lost rendering. It's too much. It can't handle it. Okay, let's just create a blank here. That music. Oh, it might be here actually. Collisions. Can I search?
No, that would be too easy. Oh, there's a searchy button.
Oh. Okay, never mind. That's not working. Ooh, Starstorm.
Ooh. So beautiful. And very bright.
Very bright. So going back to your love for black holes, Sagittarius A.
Can we watch that in slow motion?
Yes. Wow. Okay, let me change this. It's 20 minutes. That was 20 minutes a second.
Oh.
Wow. Hang on, I'm having... Here we go. Oh, we're kind of distorted now. I'll drag you up here. And
We're fine.
fix that up. Anyway. Whoa!
Ooh.
We just had a supernova. There must have been a collision. Let's try.
Supernovas are so pretty.
So let me... Let me stop this. And we'll throw in the black hole. Come on, Sagittarius. So you wanted that in slow motion?
Looks like fireworks.
Oh, there we go. I like how now we have music coming back.
So cool. Look kind of like an eyeball. Well, it's an eyeball now.
It's so bright.
It's like a giant eyeball of destruction.
Yep. So let's create Earth solar. So Earth solar system is literally the Earth at the center of a solar system, and we just had a collision over here.
What hit what?
Looks. I think a moon hit it. So something that's kind of cool is you can add rings,
I like rings.
and I'll create a geosynchronous ring. There's a moon swarm, spiral height.
Look how everything is just bashing into one another.
Oh, I have to click add ring. So Earth now has rings,
We are spiffy like Saturn.
and those are Saturn's rings that we added. So what would happen if we added... Jupiter can hang out over here and orbit our...
It's stealing all of our stuff.
It's literally stealing everything. Oh.
Like how it just plows into the planet.
A little bit too close.
Oh dear. That definitely killed everybody. Wow.
That went badly. Let's give it an Earth. Hey, you know what? Now we have this glowing Jupiter.
It's a tiger planet.
We have a hot Jupiter. So let's... Earth. Earth is currently sitting at 10 degrees. We are inhabited, and possibly...
Does that mean Jupiter's kind of like a sun right now?
Yeah. So it's warming the Earth. We're apparently being lit by the galaxy. Okay, so, whatever. For whatever reason, the side facing Jupiter is not lit. But we are habitable.
Sweet.
And let's give ourselves a Mercury moon. I wonder if we could terraform Mercury.
I don't know. I'm not entirely clear how terraforming works.
Well, we would want to give it some water.
Is Mercury just trying to escape now?
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, Earth is actually inhabited right now. Well, or it could be. I don't know if it is, but it could be.
Oh, that's Mercury. I was like, that's a little warm for Earth.
I like how Mercury is hotter than Earth right now.
No atmosphere?
But where's it getting the heat? Oh, I guess it could be getting the heat from Jupiter. I mean, so its cold side should be pretty... its dark side should be pretty frozen. I'd like to know where this light source is, though. Like, that's just ridiculous. Let's give it a moon swarm.
Oh dear. Oh
And
dear.
let's give it geosynchronous rings.
The moons are not having a good time right now.
We gave it geosynchronous rings, and it's quite...
It's so shiny.
It's quite hot right now. But it has rings. It has rings. Let's see how Earth is doing. 14 degrees surrounding our Jupiter is 3,600 degrees and climbing.
Wow. I could just cook everything.
And Mercury is just over here with all of its fragments, and it's glowing moons. Oh, look at the ring system.
Jupiter's stealing it again. Just a ring stealer.
Right?
Ooh, but it might actually not just destroy everything.
Oh, look at that go. Let's speed it up a little bit.
Gravity's so weird.
Let's see how that goes.
Interesting.
So, Earth is okay. I can't even see Mercury anymore. Oh, look at that go. Earth is actually cooling off right now.
Are we all gonna freeze?
No, but I'm actually surprised it's stable with all of this going on. Like, it hasn't been hit by anything yet.
It's because we're in the Goldilocks zone. Now watch something plow into Earth because I said that.
Let's see, what else could we add?
Oh, there's almost a collision.
How else could we mess this up? Let's add Saturn, but like way out here. And I'm going to give... Oh, it's got an interesting orbit going on here.
I see that.
I'm going to give Saturn more of its own rings, of course, because why not? So Saturn has its own rings.
Beautiful.
They're pretty stable right now. Let's just check in real quickly on our chaos over here.
We're still alive.
And Saturn's just hanging out. Now, what could we add? I feel... Well, we could add its moon Titan.
Could just give it a random moon swarm. I like moon swarms.
You like moon? Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm giving it... Let's give it Titan, Ganymede, Enceladus, and... You know what? It can have Mars. It's lagging so much. And nothing is disrupting it. But let's give Mars its own rings.
I love how they just have like a swirly Q
Right?
pattern.
So Mars had its own rings, and they left for Saturn.
Yeah, I see that. Poor Mars. It's nothing of its own.
What's realistic? Interesting. Oh, it's... So, Saturn's stable and it's orbiting Jupiter. And Jupiter's actually cooling off really fast. Look at that.
Oh dear. That means we're all gonna freeze, right?
Well, I don't even... Like, Jupiter should not have been conducting heat to us.
Well, it was a giant ball of 3,000 degrees.
Earth is pretty cold now.
Just a little bit nippy.
Let's see. So we've got some good chaos going on over. Like, look at that.
Organized chaos.
Mercury's still pretty hot. Shall I cause some true chaos?
Sure.
Let's add Gliese 876d, which is an exoplanet. And just because I can, and because Jupiter appears to no longer have a ring system, and that seems to be the theme of today. Let's give it Saturn rings.
Oh dear. Jupiter is such a ring thief.
Oh, it's so laggy. Look at that mass over by Saturn. Oh, it's holding on to its own. Holy crap. Jupiter is cooling off fast.
I enjoy the planet dance.
Where Earth is still alive.
Jupiter's so wiggly. Why is it wiggly?
Because all of these orbiting objects are exerting gravity on it.
Oh, that would make sense.
Yeah, so it's actually being pulled around by them. And Saturn's pulling it too.
Look at that just swarm of ring matter.
Just leaving. It's like, peace out. Yeah, Jupiter's...
It looks kind of half tiger, half eye of Sauron.
I think Earth might have been hit by something. Nope. It's still okay.
Doing good.
Oh, hey. It's an Earth eclipse. See that?
Yes. Our tiny shadow.
Yeah. That's kind of cool. This is actually remarkably stable. Like, I'm actually very impressed with this. So...
I'm curious what will happen when Saturn starts going through the random ring bits.
Well, it's like it won't reach them.
Ever?
So okay. So how
cooking everything?
No, look how big this star is compared to our tiny little planets.
That's Betelgeuse?
Yep.
Such a random star name.
I know, right? Shall we toss it over here? 12 astronomical units away. What's going to happen here?
Everything is like, I don't know where to go. I don't understand.
Yeah, right? Oh, it's starting to exert gravity on our mass over here. I mean, look at that. Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Oh, our exoplanet got the shit beat out of it.
It's a baby eye of Sauron. Saturn looks a little bit cooked as well.
Yep.
Is Earth still alive?
Where is...
Oh, I see us. We're still good.
How are we still alive? How hot
Magic.
are we? We are 514 degrees.
Okay, no, everyone is cooked.
All the water is gone.
Oh, we're a little baked.
Wow. It's so beautiful. Look at that.
Yes.
Well, we had fun with that. Shall we end it on a bang?
Yes.
I was kind of hoping some crazy things would happen over here, but they didn't. So I am going to merge. Let's add Aldebaran. Let's add Vega, Altair.
All the stars to suck everything at them.
And let's add a second Betelgeuse on this side. Although I don't know if that's what's happening to our system. Absolute chaos.
It looks very confused. Earth looks very shiny.
I'm just going to speed this up because we're only going in at 3 hours a second. So, interesting. I think we're heading towards... Are we heading towards it?
I think so.
Not fast enough. Alright. Well, in that case, there's only one thing left to do. And it won't involve a black hole.
No.
It could.
Just all the giant stars. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. Ooh. So many colors.
Yep. pieces of Beetlejuice just went flying. Look at that spin. And what's going on over here? Oh, look! It actually coalesced into
a giant ring.
Into a giant ring. Oh,
That's odd looking.
where is there only there's only one thing left, and it's
Healing?
yep, and it's actually, if you look at its size, 5.5 Earths and shrinking. It's actually being stripped apart.
Huh. Oh yeah, I can see that.
It's
So it's a very fast spinning star.
we're going at 1 day per second apparently. I think we actually have so we have two.
That's cool.
Yeah, we have two planes here. Oh, that's really cool. I love how this is just spinning though.
I like the supernova. It's so pretty colored. Ooh.
How? Wait a minute. Look, what is happening right now?
I don't. Is there just a super tiny supernova in front of Beetlejuice?
No, because that's the center of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't understand what's happening here. It's
You're gonna give people seizures
Sorry.
zooming out like that.
I don't understand. Like, look how bright that is. Is that just how much light is being emitted by all of this?
I guess so.
I guess that would explain why there's literally nothing. Oh, our ring systems. Oh, because the original Beetlejuice is still alive too. Yeah, our little planet's almost completely gone. Come on. Let's see what happens. What?
It's nomming it. Like the nom 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 rings.
Oh, it's cooling off. Oh, look at the rings go.
Ooh. So beautiful.
So in all of that, the only thing left in our beautiful solar system is Gliese 8760, which came out at the size of 2.84 Earths and is cooling off. Who knows? Maybe it'll be livable.
Who knew that utter chaos and destruction could be so pretty?
Look at that.
It's such a weird shape.
Yeah, because it's being pulled around over this way. Oh, okay. Well, I think that's everything we need to see. I will put in a black hole just for you.
Yay!
Right here.
It's just spitting everything everywhere.
Can you imagine if there was an inhabited planet directly in the path of that?
That would not go well for them.
There. So we have now had our fun, and it still existed as a beautiful little mass of rock. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give us a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Bye guys!